Wondered what was inside of an electric range. We're going to take this one apart. Aire electric range. Top of the glass is broken. Handles off. All the screws. Remove the front panel. Screws, you can see that this pivots. We'll remove these screws. Now we can remove the front panel. Remove the wiring. Now we've got the front panel off. Remove the back. Remove the bottom bracket. And remove the back. I'll remove the cooling fan. 2 screws on that. Pull the plug on the fan. Move the top burner element here, and then down here is the lower element burner. Move the junction connector. Move the side panel. Now the top is loose. This is where all the burners are. Pretty cool. The thermal sensor. Close up of that thermal sensor. Here's the motor that keeps the door closed when it's hot. Make sure you can't open it. Pull off the main wiring harness. Here's the oven vent. The top burner. Temperature probe. The light. Pull the front of the door off. Remove the glass. And remove the glass. And remove the tempered glass. The foot supports. The fiberglass insulation is loose. Last bottom part. Move the vent. Move the burners next. Screws and it's open. Got all the burners off now. There it is, all taken apart. A lot goes into the manufacture of one of these things.